Our Life and Eco-Range batteries use Amphenol Surlock connectors to simplify installation. When you purchase one of our enclosures, they come pre-installed with bus bar and cables. When you want to use your own custom enclosure, we supply Amphenol plugs and covers with our batteries. Crimping the cables is a simple operation. To crimp the Amphenols, you will need a knife, cable cutters, 16 to 25mm cable, heat shrink the Amphenols, and a 25mm hex crimper. Cut the cables apart by 100mm. Strip the cable 16mm. Using a cable stripper or cutters, strip the ends of the cables. Place the ferrule over the copper. Trim any excess copper. Before you crimp, place cover and heat shrink over the cable. Place the ferrule into the Amphenol and crimp using a 25mm hex crimping tool. Pull the heat shrink to the edge of the thread and shrink the heat shrink. Lastly, pull the covers up to the Amphenols and screw them tight. You are now ready to install your Australian-made lithium batteries.